Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver Epson EcoTank. This here for Syria. You type here the driver download, and that's why I'm search the VCL website for you. I am like download the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download for the VCL website. And this here for VCL website. This here for VCL website, and maybe this here I am click here epson.com. This one. This here for the website loading. So now click here. Okay, and your number two, 1, 2. This here for support so okay, and this one, this website loading. Okay, this here for website loading, and this here for the tag my operating system for Windows 7, and maybe the this here for not the tag automatic your operating system. If you change operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Mac and for the Windows. And I am need the load for the Windows 11. Click go. This here for the Windows 11 the loading driver. Okay, this here for Windows 11, and this here for the driver recommended for you. If you need to install driver recommended for you combo package, and maybe I recommended for you download here. Click here, and this here for support your the printer, scanner, fax, easy photo scan, and this here for effort manager and UCR, and this here for the Epson software update. This here for your support for the Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. If you need download, you click here for download. This here for your drive for download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and this is what you finish ready for download. If you finish ready for download, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time.